Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you are returning, if you're new, welcome. My name is Danielle and today is going to be new release day. So if you guys have been around for a while, I recently opened up a planner sticker shop and I am so excited. This is my second set of new releases, I think, and these are Halloween kits, which I am so in love with. If you don't have any information about my sticker shop, I have kits for the Erin Condren Vertical or any vertical planner with 1.5-inch wide boxes. I have kits for the Erin Condren Hourly Planner, and I currently have kits for the Erin Condren A5 Daily Duo Planner, plus some icons and some scripts and things like that. I'm not opposed to making sticker kits for other planners. You just gotta let me know what planners you would like to see stickers made for. These are just the planners that I'm currently using, so that is what I'm going to start out with. So let's start off with the vertical kits. So this week I have Halloween kits, guys, and I am so excited for these. I found a ton of clip art that I wanted to use, and I just picked a few that I really liked. So first up is going to be Fright Night. This one is for all of your horror movie lovers. You like all things scary, things like that. This is going to be for you. You get 9 full boxes. Do you like scary movies? I'm curious if anybody knows what movie this is from. But you have all different elements. You have the girl from The Ring, you have kind of an It-inspired girl, you have Annabelle, and then you got the Scream mask and Freddy Krueger and Jason, just all different types of horror movie elements. I love this kit. So you get 9 full boxes, you get 3 quarter boxes at the bottom. Second sheet is all boxes. Love this sheet. This is probably one of my most used sheets. Third sheet is kind of your functional miscellaneous sheet. You have your checklist, you have some scripts, some icons, your date dots, your date covers, and your sidebar items. Each sheet is $3.50. If you want all 4, you can buy the entire kit for $14. You can buy the sheets individually, so you can buy them a la carte or you can buy them as an entire kit. If you only want like 1 or 2 pages is why I kind of did that. Fourth page has your glitter headers, 3 sets of 8 glitter headers, 2 strips of bottom washi, and then some more sidebar items. You'll have some headers that you can use and then another sidebar piece. So the kits are 4 pages, and I kind of just wanted the kits to have like a mini kit format because I think a lot of people are moving away from using so many stickers. So next up is Trick or Treat. This one I kind of imagined being for like the week of Halloween because it has like the 31 nights of Halloween here with movies. You have like the scene where you can go trick or treat. You have like a house, you have some snacks. So this one I'm personally going to be using for the week of Halloween. Quote says, "There is magic in the night when pumpkins glow by moonlight." Just as a very classic orange and black and like gray kind of Halloween vibe. So your full boxes, then you have your sheet with all of your boxes. You get 3 half boxes, a bunch of third boxes, so many quarter boxes. These are my most used boxes, and I feel like this is what I see a lot in spreads. Then you have some even teenier boxes. These are almost like 8th boxes at the bottom. Third sheet has all of your sidebar, all of your functional icons, date covers, things like that. And the last sheet has your bottom washi, your glitter headers, which I definitely wanted to include because I feel like a lot of people still use these, and some sidebar items. So this one is Trick or Treat. Love these full boxes. Last up is Spell on You. So I really like the vibe of this. This is like pastel Halloween-y type vibes, and it's got like a little bit of a magical element with like the cauldron and the little Ouija board, and you have like the cat. So I just really liked the vibes of this. Something different. I kind of wanted to have a bunch of different kind of kits, not all kind of the same theme. So then you have your boxes sheet. You have this pretty like almost like a mintish blue, a pink, a black, and this purple. Third sheet with your date covers, and then the last but not least is your glitter headers and your strips of washi. So this one's called Spell on You. So these are the 3 kits that are coming to the shop. You have Spell on You, you have Trick or Treat, and then you also have Fright Night. So these 3 kits are going to come in all the formats. So these are the vertical kits. And then you have your hourly kits. So hourly kits come with 2 pages. These are actually not sold separately, they are sold together. The kit is $7 for both sheets, and you're going to get 2 of them. So the first sheet is going to have just the one full box. How I imagine this is just having the full box on the sidebar and then all of your functionals on your actual spread. I do have a plan with me going live this week using one of my hourly kits if you want to see kind of how they look. So you get your one full box. I really liked this girl, so I included her in this kit. You have a ton of quarter boxes, you have an eighth box, some half boxes, some third boxes, more quarter boxes, your checklists. On your second sheet, you get 2 strips of date covers. You have a thicker strip of washi that fits at the bottom and a thinner strip. You have some icons, some scripts, a weekend banner, some time blocking arrows, and then your sidebar over here you have your weekly tracker and your 2 habit trackers. So the hourly kit comes as 2 pages for $7, and I'm so excited. I love this hourly format in my planner. I really wanted something that was more minimal, that wouldn't, you know, I ended up having a ton of leftover stickers in my hourly kit, so I wanted something smaller. So this is the trick or treat. This is the full box I used, the popcorn in the movie one where it says 31 Nights of Halloween. And then you have your full boxes in your checklist, and then you have this one which has your date cover strips and your bottom washi, your sidebar items, and all your functionals. So this one is trick or treat. And then last but not least is the Spell on You in the hourly. I just love these colors together. I pulled in this full box that kind of has the snow globe type feel. And then you have all of your boxes. Your second sheet has your date covers, all of your icons. I loved colors in this, more of a pastel vibe, but still very fun for Halloween. So those are the hourly kits. And then I have the A5 kits. So for this, I have 4 pages for my A5s. Let's pull these. So number 1. So first is the trick or treat. So you can buy these individual sheets or together. The individual sheets are $3.50. The entire kit is $14. So sheet number 1 has your kind of strips for your date covers. You have some date dots, a couple deco pieces, and a few boxes at the bottom. Sheet number 2 is all of your boxes. You have so many thin ones, kind of like half-hour slots. You have hour slots. You have some thicker ones for like 2 hours. Then you have the third sheet, which has all these washi strips. You have a ton of scripts, lots of to-dos, works, top 3 if you want to use those, lots of icons and time blocking. And then the last sheet has all of your checklists that you can use on your daily pages. It has some flags. It has 2 big strips of glitter washi, and then you actually get small individual boxes. I really wanted kind of some decorative elements on your daily pages, so these fit great next to the calendar or right on top of the calendar if you want to cover up the calendar, but you get 7 of the boxes that are just shrunk down from the vertical kit. So 4 pages for the kit. And you have Fright Night, which is kind of a horror movie theme, page number 1 with your date covers, page number 2 with all of your boxes, page number 3 with your kind of mini boxes and your checklists and your glitter washi at the bottom, page number 4 with all of your icons, your scripts, and your kind of strips of washi in there. I'm going to be having a plan with me go live next week showing you guys how an A5 looks in my planner. And then you have Spell on You. So this one is just your pretty pastel, page 1, page 2, page 3 with your icons, and page 4 with all of your boxes. I love that I put a spell on you and now you're mine quote. Just awesome, awesome movie memories. And then I also have monthlies and note page kits coming. So this is going to be a minimal notes page kit. If you've never seen any videos on my channel, I have been setting up my notes pages a certain way for a while now. And let me see if I have one done in this planner. So August, I set this up, and I set mine up kind of differently. It's more minimal. I have some boxes here, and then I have some goal setting over here. So what I wanted to do was kind of mimic that a little bit with my notes pages. So I have this bigger top right here, which fits perfectly right over the top here. I have a couple strips of washi here, which you can put across these boxes. I have some scripts here to be able to label them. And then I have a ton of boxes that you could use down here. I then took this side strip here, and I intentionally had that to be used to go across the top here. So you could label this for September as well. And then more boxes down here to use for goals if you want, some dots to use for checking off, and a couple pieces of deco. So very minimal notes pages kit. Again, I will have a plan with me showing you guys how these look. And then I have the October one in this kind of Halloween theme with the same clip art from Spell on You. And it is just a super fun vibe. So notes pages are coming to the shop. And then I also have monthlies. So monthlies, I have September and October. This is what September looks like. I have a plan with me using this coming out, I think, on Wednesday or Thursday of this week. So you have your big strips that go at the top. You have this to cover up extra boxes if you'd like. You have your days of the week here that you can start on a Monday or start on a Sunday. You have your couple holidays at the bottom with some payday scripts and some asterisks. And then the second page is all of your boxes. You have a ton of icons around here. You have 2 checklists to go in your sidebar, and then you have some strips of washi for time blocking or whatever you need to use it for. So 2-page monthly kits here. This is $7 for the kit. They'll be sold together. And then the October one is with the Spell on You as well. You have your big chunk at the top. These days of the week are meant to just go right on top here, so you can choose what day you want to start on. And then the second sheet has all of your boxes with these super vibrant colors. Last but not least are some icons. I'm just bringing in a few. It is the beginning of sports season for us, so I went ahead and made some sports icons for anybody who needs them. We have football. We have a coaching one with a whistle, which could be used for lots of different things. I have a cheer one with like the horn. I have basketball, baseball, swim. I used goggles instead of a person swimming because these are more gender neutral. Soccer, which I'm going to be using a ton of, and I already started using them in my monthly spread. I have lacrosse because I know there's not a lot of lacrosse stickers out there. I kind of have this stopwatch one, specifically maybe for like track or cross country if you're timing your runs, or you could even use it just for working out. And then tennis. Let me know if there's any other sports icons you would like to see in the shop, but I just picked some of the more popular ones. I'm willing to add more if needed. So you have some sports icons. You have the monthly kits, September and October, that are live. You have the notes pages, and then you have all of your Halloween kits in the vertical, hourly, and A5 daily duo format. So if you have any questions on pricing, things like that, I will put all that information in the description below. I will leave a link to the shop and put pricing on how much each kit is or how much the icons are, things like that. So if you have any questions, drop them in the comments below. Let me know what you're most excited for, which kit you really enjoy. I think this horror one is probably my favorite out of all of them coming to the shop, just because it's so fun and like dark for Halloween. I plan on continuing to do new release videos. It's just a really good way to show you guys everything that's coming to the shop. I plan on having new releases twice a month at this point, so let me know what else you guys would like to see. If you'd like to see certain themes or certain sticker sheets, I am here listening, and I definitely want to make stickers that you guys need and want to use. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will talk to you guys next time. Bye.